Bil Herd, recovering Commodore engineer and occasional video contributor to Hackaday. And, I don't often use a microphone, but when I do, you'll notice I have a microphone right here when I record. And outside, I might use one of these, a shotgun type thing, to make sure you can hear me. And you can hear I'm projecting when I talk, right? But if you're doing a webcam type thing, you may not have a microphone like this. Or you may get that effect like you're in a loud, echoey room because you're in a loud, echoey room. Or if you're 10 foot away, you might sound real quiet. So my friends over at Antimatter Research have this cool little microphone array. It's an array because there are several of them, like we have ears, right? We use our ears to triangulate and help focus on noise. My cats actually move their ears. I can't do that. So and this is cool. Like I said, from Antimatter, my friends Jim, Headley, and Gladys have worked on this. And what it is in addition to 4 microphones, there is a digital signal processor on here. So that's where we get our echo cancellation. You hear a noise and hear it again, right? Scoop it out. Or far field, where you focus on that one speaker here and attenuate all the rest of the stuff around it, so that person, then you can apply some gain and the noise kind of recedes because you're focused on that. And what far field quite simply is, when you're close to a microphone, it's like the surface of a balloon where it's expanding and still spherical. But on far field, it's kind of gotten so expanded that it's just flat, and so we can determine things by the time and phase of the arrival of that sound. So here we are using one of my, and yes, I'm kind of shouting, one of my studio mics, but now it's 6 or 8 feet away. You can probably hear hiss. I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this mode. So this is what a mic would do, one of my reasonable mics, from this distance. All right, now I'm speaking in a normal voice to a microphone 6 feet away. I'm not even projecting like I normally do. And, I think you will hear some artifacting, because I'm going through a couple samples here to get this video to you. But with that said, you couldn't begin to do this with my other microphone, my studio microphone, as you heard. So this is pretty cool. So maybe next time I'll do is I'll set up my big sheets of plexiglass or make my echo here and see how it deals with that. But I'm pretty impressed that I'm sitting here from this far away just talking in a normal voice, more than adequate for a webcam. So to the folks at Antimatter, pretty cool. So Bil Herd, again, maybe we'll tear into this a little more in the future.